Saint Martin, only the coral island of Bangladesh, which is situated just top southern part of Bangladesh. One has to travel there by ship from Teknaf through river Naf. From Teknaf river, one can enjoy the fresh weather, dark blue water, and the blue skies. The birds, seagulls will welcome any visitors of Teknaf rivers. The waves of Teknaf rivers are really charming. It can amaze us and all visitors. The security level of Coast Guard are high here for the all visitors. Fishes are the most popular dishes here. One can enjoy various sea fishes here. Various fried sea fishes are available in various shops, hotels, and various restaurants. One can cheaply enjoy sea fried fishes. It will charm all kinds of visitors. The rising waves of Saint Martin are very enjoyable for any visitors. One can enjoy sunsetting scenery and sun rising very closely from here. Very dark blue water, huge sand beaches, and very large stones are available here. A tired visitor can refresh his mind by sitting on the stones and passing his relaxing time.